In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pattern on Canva. On your design page, highlight your background and change the color. Scroll to element tools and search for elements that you want to use to build your pattern style, such as shape, graphics, line, etc. You can pick whatever you want to build your preferred pattern style. Now, after you have selected what you want to build your style, you can highlight the styles together and group them in one form. Then you will reduce its size and place it at the edge of the background. You will then go ahead and duplicate them to form a singular line. After forming a singular line, to save time, then you will group them and replicate them as duplicated designs to fill up the entire background. When you're done filling up the entire background, then you will group all the elements together again to form one singular design. And that's about it. That's how to create a pattern on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.